In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to walk through installing the Rivo Email Pop-ups app on your Shopify store, setting up your first pop-up campaign, and publishing it so it's live and ready to collect emails and drive sales. First, let's get the app installed. Open the Shopify App Store from your Shopify admin. In the search bar, type Rivo Email Pop-ups. You'll see an app called Rivo Popups. Click into it and take a moment to review the app's details, what it does, and the permissions it requests. This helps you understand how it will interact with your store. When you're comfortable, click Add App. Shopify will prompt you to confirm the installation. Follow the prompts and the app will be added to your store. If you're not already logged into your Shopify admin, you'll be asked to do that first. Once installation is complete, you'll be automatically taken to the app's setup page. Now it's time to create your pop-up campaign. On the setup page, start a new pop-up. Choose a template or layout that fits your brand, then customize the look and feel. Update the headline and body text with clear, concise messaging that tells visitors what they'll get by signing up. Add imagery or your logo to keep things on brand, and consider offering an incentive like a discount code to increase signups. Keep your design clean so the call to action stands out. Next, configure your display rules. Decide where and when the pop-up should appear, on specific pages, after a certain time delay, or only when someone is about to leave the site using exit intent. Pick timing that feels helpful, not intrusive. If the app offers frequency controls, set it to avoid showing the pop-up repeatedly to the same visitor. When you're happy with the setup, use the preview option to see exactly how the pop-up will look and behave on your store before it goes live. Check both desktop and mobile views for a smooth experience. Finally, publish your pop-up. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the campaign live on your store. Visit your storefront to confirm it's showing as expected. If something doesn't look right or you want to refine the copy, design, or display rules, you can return to the Rivo app in your Shopify admin at any time to make edits. Publish again when you're ready, and your updates will go live. That's it. You've installed Rivo Email Pop-ups, designed your first campaign, and published it. Keep iterating on your message and timing to get the best results.